You're doing good. I'm your host Jason, and in this tutorial I'll be showing you how to use HoneyFund Registry. HoneyFund is one of the most popular registries for persons that are about to get married, or whether you're keeping some form of event and you would like to open a registry that persons can contribute to for completely free. With HoneyFund there are no fees attached and it is completely free. Now to get started, you'll need to go onto honeyfund.com. From there, you're going to tap on sign up. After you have done that, you'll be redirected to a page just like this. On this page, you can enter your first, last name and your partner's first and last name. Then you're going to tap on next. After you have done that, you're going to put in the date of your wedding. So you can put in the date right here. So let's select a date. Then you can select the location and you're going to tap on next. Then what type of registry do you want to create? Would you like to create a registry for your honeymoon, home, wedding fund, cash? You have 4 different options that you can choose from. Now let's say for example we would like to create a registry for our honeymoon. You can select that. And you can also select other options as you can see right there. So you could select all 4 options if you want. Then you're going to tap on next. Then from here you can put in your honeymoon destination, or you can select we're not sure as yet. Then you will tap on next. After you have done that, in which country are you located? You can select the country that you're currently located in. So let me do that real quick. You can select from any one of these countries as you can see right here. You can scroll through and select the country you're located in. After you have done that, you can enter in your first and last name, and be sure to enter in the correct first and last name that is currently on your government ID. Then after you have done that, you're going to tap on next. From here, you're going to enter your email address and then you're going to create a password. So let me do that real quick. So I'll simply enter my email address. You're going to create a password. Then from here, you can enter in your phone number, or you can tap on I don't have a phone that receives text. After you have done that, you can tap on let's go. Once you have entered your verification code, you'll be redirected to this page as you can see right here. Once on this page, this is our dashboard at the moment. And you can see right here, action required, couples who add registry items raise 65% more funds on average. So you're going to tap on add items. After you have tapped on add items, you'll be redirected to this page. And from here, you can see different items that you can quickly add. So for example, you can add a round trip airfare, upgrade to first class, or so on. You can scroll down. You can also add Amazon gift cards, Home Depot, hotels.com, or so on. You can also select different categories, honeymoon experience, or so on. You can see different options that you can choose from. You can also tap on starter registries. So for example, you could select African Safari and you can see different options right there. And once you have found one that you like, you can simply tap on add item. So that is how you'll be able to add an item to your registry. And then you can tap on save registry right there. After you have done that, we are going to go back. So let's go back to the main dashboard. Once on the main registry, or once on your main dashboard, as you can see right here, all you'll need to do now, you can design your site. So you can tap on design site. From here, you can make changes. So you can scroll down. And at the moment, this is how our site looks. Now, if you would like to make changes, you can quickly do that. So for example, you can tap on upload right here. From here, you can upload a picture of you and your partner. You can also change the cover photo if you want. Then you will tap on save. Once you have done that, you can scroll down and you can see how your registry website looks at the moment. So you can see right there. Remember that I had added the African Safari, so you can see that it has been added right there. So all persons would need to do whenever they come onto my registry, they can select which one of these options they would like to support me with. And they can scroll down, and then from there, if they like to contribute cash, they can also do that. And remember that there are no hidden fees or so on. If you like to change the theme, you can do that by tapping on theme from the top left hand corner. You could change the theme to any one of these options by simply tapping on the option, as you can see right there. Once you're finished and it is to your liking, you can tap on gifts. So you can view the gifts page right there. You can tap on share from the top navigation bar. And from here, you will be able to copy your URL and you can share it. So after doing that, you can also tap on print cards or QR code if you want to do that. Then you can tap on view site in the top right hand corner. And this is how your site looks at the moment, as you can see right there. So it does look professional and it does look stunning. We're going to go back to our main dashboard. So we're going to tap on dashboard once more. After you have tapped on dashboard, from here you'll be able to monitor your gifts by tapping on gifts from the top navigation bar. You'll be able to see what gifts you have received thus far. Hope you found this tutorial helpful and informative. If you did, be sure to hit the like button and subscribe.